Want to let customers customize WPCafe menu items with toppings, portion sizes, drinks, or special instructions? In this tutorial, we'll use Optiontics to add these choices to WPCafe food items. Customers can select what they want, and any extra charge will be added to the order total automatically. Let's set it up. First, open Optiontics and click Add Options. You can select a ready-made template, start from scratch, or use AI to create your options. For this example, we'll start from scratch and name the option set Pizza Add-ons. Now, add the fields customers will use to customize the food item. For example, you can add radio buttons for pizza size, a drop-down for spice level, checkboxes for extra cheese and chicken, and a text field for special instructions. Now, add the fields customers will use to customize the food item. For example, you can add radio buttons for pizza size, a drop-down for spice level, checkboxes for extra cheese and chicken, and a text field for special instructions. Once the options are ready, click Publish. Next, choose where these options should appear. WPCafe menu items work as WooCommerce products, so Optiontics can assign the options directly to them. Select all Woo products to use the options across the full menu. Specific Woo products to choose individual food items, or specific Woo category to target a category such as pizzas or burgers. For this example, select the pizza menu item and click Update. Finally, open the WPCafe menu and test the food item. The Optiontics fields should now appear on the product page. Select different add-ons and confirm that paid options update the total correctly. Customers can now customize the item and complete their order through the regular WooCommerce checkout. Complete the checkout to place a test order. Then go to WooCommerce Orders and open the new order. Under the pizza item, you can see the options selected by the customer, such as pizza size, extra cheese, spice level, and special instructions. This gives the restaurant team a quick view of all selected add-ons while preparing the order. That's it. Customers can customize their WPCafe menu items, and you can view every selected add-on directly from the WooCommerce order.